Hi everyone, let's find average, maximum and minimum in Microsoft Excel. From here, just insert equal sign, write average, select this one. Then select the cells you want to find average for them. That's my data, just insert enter. Okay, average is 45. For this column also, just active the cell and drag to here. Directly finds the average for this column also. Regarding maximum, just insert equal sign, then write maximum, select this one, select the data you want to find a maximum, just insert enter. The maximum is 79.5, this one. Also drag to this column. The maximum in this column is this number, this one. Okay, regarding minimum, just insert equal sign, then write minimum, select this one, the data you want to find, enter. The minimum is 12.9, this one. Active the cell, drag it to here. Directly the formula applies for this column. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.